So good morning children. Now open page number 103. Okay. As we have already completed till here, now we will see from here. Okay. So there is a small poem. Okay children, repeat along with me. Sing this poem in your class. This poem will help you remember days of a week. So sing along with me children. On Monday, I feel happy and bright. On Monday, I feel happy and bright. On Tuesday, I like to fly my kite. On Tuesday, I like to fly my kite. On Wednesday, I like to sing all the day. On Wednesday, I sing all day long. On Thursday, I play ping pong. On Thursday, I play ping pong. On Friday, I help mom and dad. On Friday, I like to help mom and dad. On Saturday, I am never sad. On Saturday, I am never sad. On Sunday, I like to sleep long. On Sunday, I like to sleep long. As it's a holiday. Ding, 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 dong. So this is the rhyme, okay, poem or whatever children, okay. Now coming into the next topic, that is months in a year. Okay, when will our summer holiday start, teacher? In the month of May, Fabian. So what did Fabian ask her teacher? That when will summer holiday start? So when we all will have summer holidays children, in which month? Yes, in the month of May. Okay, there are 12 months in a year. So there are 12 months in a year. So here 1 year equals to 12 months. Okay, and a year has 365 days, and a year has 365 days. Okay children, so there are 12 months in a year. So there are 12 months in a year. A year has 365 days. 1 year we have how many days? 365 days. Okay children, we have 365 days. Now we will see the months. Okay, January is the first month. So now we are in December, no children. Now after December, which month is coming? The year starts. We all celebrate New Year, no? So when we will celebrate New Year? On January 1st. Why? Because it is the first day of the year, and December 31st is the last day of year. So January is the first month of the year, December is the last month of the year. Okay children, now repeat with me the months. Okay, first month January, January, January. Second month February, February, February. Third month March, March, March. Fourth month April, April, April. Fifth month May. Sixth month June, June. Seventh month July, July. Eighth month August, August, August. Ninth month September, September, September. 10th month October, October, October. 11th month November, November, November. 12th month December, December. So January is the first month and December is the last month. So in a year we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in a year we have 12 months. So what is the first month? January. And what is the last month? December. Okay. Now here we will complete the sequence. Days of a week. Tell children Monday, Tuesday. After Tuesday it is Wednesday. 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 After Wednesday what day it is? Tell children. Yes, it is Thursday. Thursday. Okay. Thursday. After Thursday it is what children tell? Yes, good children. Friday. After Friday, Saturday. Saturday. After Saturday it is Sunday. Yes, good children, good. Now learn all the week days names in a week. Okay, now next months in a year. After January, what it is? February. 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 After February it is March. March. After March it is April. April. After April it is May. May. When we have summer holidays? In May. Yes, children. Then next June. 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 After June it is yes July. After July it is August. August. After August it is September. 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 After September it is October. After October, November. After November it is December. Means the last month of the year. Okay. Now children, here there are few fill in the blanks. So there are dash days in a week. So how many days? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many days children? 7 days in a week. So next, there are dash months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 months in a year. Okay. The first month of the year is, what is the first month? Yes, January. 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 The month of dash comes just after October. After October, what month comes? November. So November. After October it is November. Okay children. Now the next one. So okay. So children, Manjit has learnt that exercise helps us to stay fit and healthy. So exercising means if we skipping, jumping jacks, stretching, running, frog jumps, leg kicks, all these children, okay, will make us stay healthy and fit. Okay children. So Manjit has decided to do one exercise each day. Okay, so like for example, if he is doing skipping, so he thought he will do skipping only on one day of a week. Okay, so now here we have different exercises, and we should write different day day names. Okay, so first one, the day should not repeat. Okay, we should only have one day, one exercise, one day. Okay, and the day should not repeat again. So it is better we will start from Monday. Okay, so skipping on Monday, Monday, Monday. And then next, running on Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. After Tuesday it is Wednesday. So for jumping jacks we will write Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. So for after Wednesday it is Thursday. For frog jumps we will write Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. And for stretching after Thursday it is Friday. So we will write Friday for stretching, Friday, Friday. Okay children. Then next, leg kicks. So leg kicks we will write after Friday it is Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. So leg kick, Saturday. Okay children, write all the day names. Monday, 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 Monday. Tuesday, 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 Tuesday. Jumping jacks, Wednesday, 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 Wednesday. Frog jumps, Thursday, 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 Thursday. Stretching, Friday, 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 Friday. Leg kicks, Saturday, 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 Saturday. So do you also exercise children? So we have different ways to be healthy and fit. So every day we all have to do exercise so that we will not fall sick. Okay children? So you people also start doing exercises. Okay, like small walking, skipping, running, all those you can do, no? Frog jumps. So all these will help you to be fit. Okay children, now the next, time. So the lesson is about time. In time we saw about clock. See, here it is 2 o'clock, and here it is 7 o'clock, and here it is 10 o'clock. So we saw different types of time. Then next, in clock we have minute hand and hour hand. Minute hand is the long one and hour hand is the short one. Next, days. In days we have 7 days. In year we have 12 months in a year. We have 7 days in a week and we have 12 months in a year. Okay children, now here the pictures given below show others activity on a day at different hours. Look at the pictures carefully and write the questions. So these are the pictures children. Now we will complete the questions. Okay, so here see, when did he see? He woke up at 6. He is playing at 4 o'clock. He is studying at 7 o'clock. He went to birthday party at 8 o'clock and he is having his dinner at 9 o'clock. So at what time did Azhar wake up? So when did he wake up? At 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock in the morning. 6 o'clock. What was Azhar doing at 4 o'clock? What he is doing? Playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. What was Azhar doing at 7 o'clock? What he is doing at 7 o'clock? He is Studying, 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 studying. At what time did Azhar attend his friend's birthday party? At what time did he attend? At, see where is the short hand and where is the long hand? At 8 o'clock. So when did Azhar attend his friend's birthday party? At 8 o'clock. Next, at what time did Azhar eat his dinner? At what time? See where the hand is, the shorter one is at 9 and the longer one is at 12. So it is 9 o'clock. Okay. So now next one. Divya went on a holiday for a week. So how many days has she went in total? So how many days, children? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 week equals to 7 days. So how many days did Divya go on a vacation? On 7 days. For 7 days. Reshma will go to Mumbai to attend a wedding in the month that comes 4 months after June. In which month will she go to Mumbai? So now write, children. January, February, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So what here they told? Reshma went 4 months after June. So June, okay, then after 1, 2, 3, 4. So when did Reshma go? In the month of October, 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 because after June, so leave this. July, August, September, October. Okay, children? She went in the month of October. Next, if yesterday and tomorrow both begin with the same letter of the alphabet, what date is today? So now again, children, write the days. Write Monday, 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 Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. So here, children, which two have same letters here? Tuesday and Thursday, both starts with T, and also Saturday and Sunday, both starts with yes. So here what they asked, if yesterday and tomorrow both begin with the same letter of alphabet, what is today? So as Saturday and Sunday are the two next days, like Saturday and then next Sunday, so this is not the answer. So now Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday. So now if today is Wednesday, then yesterday it was Tuesday. So which is starting with letter T. And after Wednesday it is Thursday and it is starting with T. So here, so what is the day, children? Wednesday. Nesday. Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. So yesterday is Tuesday and tomorrow is Thursday. And both are starting with letter T. So then today what will it be? Wednesday. So WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. Okay children, hope you understood the lesson. Okay, once again go through the complete video and complete the exercises. Okay children, thank you, have a good day.